Hello, everybody, and welcome to the third demo, or demo number 3, for me in my 2025 spring 2025 IT senior capstone. This is Andrew Eagle, and we will go ahead and get started. So, we're going to first look at our NANT chart. So, we're wrapping up towards the end of this project. And we are finishing up the documentation stage. And we are getting through to the deployment and the support phases of this project. We are right about here, but I would say we still have a little bit of documentation left, so we still do need to work on some documentation, but it's almost done, and we're getting ready to deploy this project. We'll go ahead and go over some of the things that have been added, changed, and improved since the last edition of this demo. So for starters, we have added the packet capture functionality here, and it captures all of these different packets with the different source and destination ports, as well as the different packet types, IP addresses, all that good stuff. Spoofed packets are being detected in the packet sniff for the capture method now. We've imported a date line and the dates into the ICMP flood and got timestamps for those. And we also imported that into the spoof detection as well to import the date times for our spoofed packet detection as well. We have removed protocol distribution chart and cleaned up the dashboard layout. And we, in the flash packet dashboard here, imported all that good stuff. Anomaly detection in the packets. If they're weird packets, it will detect that right here. Gather data for the count graph. Read the recent alerts, if there were any. And here in live packets, we also added a bunch of the live packets here. Oh, yep, that's the live packet JSON. That's not too crucial to what we're looking at here. We had to add Flask for this part. And in the templates for the packet creation right here. We have also added session-based user authentication and updated dashboard templates. In the database setup right here, we had to include an OS and DB file. And initialize the database here and then create the table if not exist packets. Save the packet to the timestamp and the source and all the information we want for the packets. Right there. Initialize the database automatically when the module is imported as opposed to calling it main. Cleaned up the flash packet dashboard here. Cleaned most of this up. Sorry for all the noise going on around me. Cleaned up the generate packets to add the ether and the raw and the IPv6. all those good things right there. We've added that functionality to the generate packets. And simulate a ICMP flood right here. Improved all along the intrusion.py, also to include the user-based authentication. And cleaned up the imports here on packet capture so we could do that more efficiently. Going through all of that good stuff. We also fixed the timestamp formatting using the date time filter. So we did that here in the packet dashboard.py. Included that right here. And include all of the good information for that and the routing and stuff here. Included it into the templates so we could search for it. You can filter by it as well. And lastly, we've enhanced the dashboard, added REST API, ML detection, and search fixes. All just the general bug fixes and quality improvements and daily day of life performance improvements here. We have most of the baseline packet sniffing already set up and prepared, so we just had to go through here and clean it up, make it a little more efficient and easier for the user to use it. We are wrapping up this project. Thank you very much for tuning into my third demo. Hope y'all have a great rest of y'all's day.